Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and creating a safe work area. Power off the system, unplug the PSU, and flip the supply switch to 0. Once done, ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch the case regularly. Remove case panels and position the machine so you can reach the GPU bracket and PCIe area. Make sure you have the replacement GPU, any necessary power adapters, screws, and a magnetic or non-magnetic screwdriver. You are now ready to remove the existing card. You'll next detach the card itself. Unscrew the bracket screws holding the GPU to the case and set them aside, then locate the PCIe retention clip at the end of the slot. Depress or slide the clip and simultaneously pull the card straight out by the rear edge. Avoid angling it to protect the slot. Before extraction, make sure all 6-pin or 8-pin power connectors are fully unplugged from the card. Once free, place the old GPU on an anti-static surface. Now you install the new card. Align it with the PCIe slot and press down evenly until the retention clip clicks. Reattach the bracket screws and connect the required PCIe power cables. Double-check connectors are fully seated. Close the case, plug the PSU back in, and power up. Once the OS loads, install the latest GPU drivers and run a quick test. Open a benchmark or stress tool and monitor temperatures and artifacting. If you see no display or post, receipt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.